Hey, what's up, guys?
Hi.
Say hey, Hayden. Hi. Alright, we got Mabel over here.
Hi.
Alright, and today we are gonna fold a paper airplane. This is a shout out to a second grader in Mrs. Luna's class. You know who you are. So we're gonna show you how to make a paper airplane. Actually, Hayden is going to be teaching us how to do it. So let's get started, shall we? Alright, Hayden. So here's the first paper airplane Hayden made. It's perfectly folded. Look at that. Let's see if it flies. Ready?
You
Not
really
too
have to. You have to like swing it hard.
Oh, yes. All right. Let's see. Ready? Set. Should we have a paper plane race after we're done?
Yeah.
All right.
Here, I'll fly it how it's.
Woo! All right. So Hayden, let's get started, shall we? First and foremost, you need a piece of 8.5 by 11 paper, your standard paper. We have colored paper, but you don't need colored paper. You can get any kind of paper you like, but as long as it's this size, okay? All right, so Hayden, what's the first thing we do?
You put right here, like fold it.
All right.
Triangle on the side.
So we need our paper to be up and down. So it needs to be vertical, not horizontal, up and down, not left and right, tablet, not TV, bathtub, nope, no bathtub, shower, not bathtub. Okay? All right. You guys know my drill by now. All right, so now, ready? We're going to go on the left side of the corner here on the top, and we're going to fold it down to what about right here, Hayden?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, right in the middle. So you want to fold it right in the center there, so it looks like this. All right, Hayden, show me yours. You should have done green. There we go. Good job. All right, hey, what do we do next?
We fold the other side.
We fold the other side. Good. And how do we fold it? We make it match the other side.
You make sure that it's a little bit higher than the other side.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
That's what
Okay. This is the Hayden way. All right, well, we're going to just make ours like as even as possible. So you want them to fold down like this, like they're pointing, right? That's good, Hayden. Nice job. All right. So now, hey, what's next?
We fold it together.
So it should be two pieces folded down like this, so it looks like a teepee on the top of your paper. And then, all right, and then you're gonna fold it up. So the folded side, right here, we're gonna close it in, bam, like this. Woo! All right, there we go. So now, you guys, as you can see, we're gonna fold it, and you want it to be like this. So you want it to open and then close it. And you want it to fold it evenly. Mrs. A didn't really fold it that well. So I'm gonna show you again. Ready? All right. Let's see, Hayden, let's see, did I do it right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh wow, you're a step ahead. Don't jump ahead, we gotta show everybody how to do it. All right, so look it, this is how we fold it. So if you see, here it is, it's pointing up, and then you wanna fold it in kind of like a book, right? So then it's gonna look like this, so it's like a skyscraper building with a really cool roof. All right, so that's what we have going on right now. All right, so now after we have folded it and we made it look like this, so we have the two folds on the inside pointing up, we fold it in half, right? And now, what do we do next, bud?
We fold this side.
Okay. So, as you can see, I'm going to zoom in on you. Ready? So, as you can see, Hayden has now folded in this piece. Now, this should be matching up to that, I think. Shouldn't it, Hay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, there we go. So, Hayden folded that piece. How you doing, Mabel? Mabel's doing really good too. Look at that. She's picking green and she's got it folded down. All right, so now I'm going to take mine.
Mom,
Mm-hmm.
are we going to make two?
Should we?
Yeah.
All
We
right.
have two pieces of paper.
We do have two pieces of paper. All right. Wave at everybody. Hey. Look at him. Okay. All right. All right, so Hayden, we fold it down. So I'm going to take this piece here. Remember we folded it in half. I'm going to fold it up and now I'm going to fold it back down to match. All right, Hayden, you gotta hold the camera so that I don't All right, can you be cameraman? Okay, so now, look at this. I'm gonna fold it down. And then I'm gonna, all right, so there we go. So now we have our 2 paper airplanes folded down like this. Oh, look it, and then there's Mabel's. She's a step ahead. So look at that. See, all right, so we have the 3, all right, NHA colors for a reason. Woo-hoo! All right, so now look it down. Okay, so now, what do we do next, bud?
We put the other side and then we fold it down.
So we put it on the other side, we flip it over, and we fold it down. Mabel, can you show us what it looks like after we're done? All right, good. So she folded both sides, and now I think we have a paper airplane. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm. Roll on.
Oh, wow. Okay, so I need to catch up. I need to fold mine down. There we go. Thank you, camera lady. Mabel's taking over there. All right, so I gotta need to fold mine down. So you see, I have this side, and now I'm gonna take this other side and I'm gonna fold it. I'm gonna fold it this way.
Mom.
All right.
After this one, can we make the other style of it? Like a different kind of airplane?
Variety, huh? Impressive. All right, so now, all right, here's my paper airplane. Magnificent. So we got Hayden's, we got Mrs. A, and we got Mabel's. Check it out. All right, so now, who do you think is gonna win the airplane game? You know what? Should we stand over here in a line and see if it shoots across furthest? Ready? Come on, guys.
Mom, after this one race, can we make another one and then
Yeah.
it's the different kind of style?
All right, are we ready?
Whoever gets to the window door wins.
Okay, on your mark. Get set, go. Oh, Mabel was definitely in last place. Hayden shot super far. Mine, I don't even know where mine went. Where did it go? Did the dog eat it?
I think the dog ate it.
Dexter, did you eat it? I don't know where my...
I saw it.
I know,
I
my paper plane went.
There it is.
Oh, look at that. All right, let's try it again. We're gonna have one more race. Ready, you guys? All right.
Wait, to this. The window.
Okay, let's see who can get to the window. Ready? On your mark.
Oh.
Get set. Go.
Oh.
Oh, look at that.
I won.
Hayden's in the lead. I don't know if you have great throwing skills or paper folding skills. I'm not sure. All right. Why don't we switch colors and see if it's the paper plane or if it's actually us throwing it. Okay. You switch, take Mabel since she was the slowest and you're the first. Mabel will take mine and I'll take Hayden's. All right. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Hayden is just like...
Whoa. I think Hayden is just a professional. All right.
I can actually do it farther.
Whoa.
See?
Wow, that was impressive.
After.
I hope you guys have a fun time throwing paper airplanes at your house.
Mom.
Happy Monday. Say bye.
Bye.
Monday's not happy.
Sorry. All right, Wednesday. All right. Bye, guys.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, bye.
And don't forget to click like and subscribe. We'll see y'all later.
Ooh.